What's up, y'all? CJ Moto. What we here with, August? What is this?
A bike.
Yeah, motorcycle?
Motorcycle.
An electric motorcycle, right?
Electric motorcycle.
Alright, we're going to talk today about this DNM 8-inch travel fork that comes with your SUR motorcycle. And I want to clear the air a little bit on this fork. First of all, I want to expel the myth that it doesn't look better than a Fox 40 front fork. I think this front fork looks just as good as any front fork on the market. It's beautiful. It's very nice. It has down here on the bottom, your valve stem covers, a really nice anodized red. You got silver Sharpie that I put on here. You can adjust your air pressure down here between 100 and 150 PSI. You want to make sure that what you get is a DNM. Go ahead and get yourself a DNM shock pump, okay? Or any type of shock pump that would work. And you want to adjust it to about 10 PSI over what your actual adjustment's going to be, because when you remove it from the bike, it's going to lose about 10 PSI. Up in the top here, you've got your rebound adjustment right here. You got between 1 and 15 clicks of rebound adjustment, and then over here you got between 1 and 15 clicks of preload adjustment. All these adjustments work just fine. If you set your preload to about halfway, so to about 7 turns in, the farthest you will ever get this thing to bottom out under any type of normal use is like probably right about there, okay? That's with a 185 pound rider, and I have been jumping some decent sized jumps on this thing. But it's a beautiful fork. It's nice and flat black. It looks good. Take your fork covers off every now and again and clean the fork tubes off. And then get yourself some Maxima SC1 silicone spray and put a light mist of silicone spray on your fork tubes here. And that'll ensure that your fork tubes move up and down very nice and free. So let's go ahead and do a little, I'll show you guys what it looks like. I keep my rebound set at about 5 clicks from all the way fast. And I like that because it gives me a little bit of rebound. It makes the rebound slower, but still fast enough to where it's soaking back up into the dips and stuff like that. But yeah, if you guys are replacing with Fox forks just for the looks, quote unquote, I think this looks better. This is a true upside down fork, and it doesn't have that stupid little thing right here. I don't know. Doesn't look like a $1,100 difference to me at all. So please don't be dissuaded from your DNM fork. Give it a fair shake, because I've been loving it. I'm sorry, but I think the adjustments work. The compression adjustment in the top and rebound in the top work just fine. You want to make sure you're putting air in the bottom of that right fork tube, so that way you get your compression. I keep that set between 130 and 140 PSI, and you want to check it every couple weeks because it will slowly lose air. But yeah, if you're running the fork and you haven't checked that bottom fork tube, you're probably running like 80 or 100 PSI, and it's probably really easy to compress it all the way. But I'm impressed with the front and rear DNM suspension. Yeah, just give it a fair shake. Let me know if you think it's good. And get on the forums of actual downhill mountain bike riders, and look at what they think about this DNM fork, or go on like places that sell it and read the reviews, because it's really not that bad. The reviews are not that bad on this thing, and so far it's been just fine to me. Maybe I just got lucky. I don't know what the deal is. I haven't had to add any oil to it or anything like that, but eventually I'm going to remove it and figure out how to do that. I just got to get a hold of somebody that knows how to service this fork. But heck, if you do like it and you don't have one and you have the RST or something like that, pick one up, because everyone's selling them. The DNM, the Fox Racing bandwagon is full. It is in full effect right now. So you could probably pick one of these up for like $200 or $300. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Let's go ahead and take a look at the movement on this fork real quick. Alright, so right now let's back off the preload. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so that's half on that. And then let's go ahead and set our compression, or our rebound rather. Let's set our rebound. Right now it's all the way fast. Watch out, August. That's full rebound. It's as much weight as I can put on it. Watch your feet. Now we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clicks, like I said, out of 15. And you got a little bit of, see it comes back a little slower. And that's where I like it at, right there. How do you like it? Does it look good? Yeah, thank you. So yeah, guys, don't jump on every bandwagon that rolls through town, all right? CJ Moto out.